Hello, in this video you will learn how to have the CVC in the credit cards inside the booking engine. So you have to go to connectivity, booking engine, then you go to settings, additional features, and then you say mandatory CVC code. You save this. Once this is saved successfully, you go back to the booking engine. We talk about double room standard, extras, summary, and here you can see the CVC code is being requested as mandatory. What you have done previously also was going to inventory, product, rate plans, and over here you have edited the policies and added the credit card. Now the credit card has the CVC code inside as well. Enjoy it!